Before we proceed with our new lesson, let's try to recall what we have learned last time. Let's see if you still remember our last episode. Again, what was our last lesson? Yes, it's all about the scientific method. Scientific method is a series of steps followed by scientific investigators to answer specific questions about the natural world. Now you can give me the steps in scientific method. Here are the steps in scientific method. Step 1, identifying the problem. Step number 2, research or gathering information about the problem. Step number 3, hypothesis. Step number 4, experimentation. Step number 5, analysis. And step number 6, conclusion. You probably encountered a lot of different substances at home, in your way to school, or even in school. The kitchenwares made of silver and aluminum that your mother used to prepare your food, or even the sugar and table salt used to add taste to the food when she cooked. The oxygen we inhale and the carbon dioxide we exhale. These are only some of the substances we live with every day. Now, our topic for today is all about elements and compound. For our objective, differentiate elements and compounds. Now before we start, let us first check what you already know about this topic. Choose the letter of the best answer. Write the chosen letter on a separate sheet of paper. And now, let us check your answer. If you did not get a perfect score, you must listen carefully. Now, what is a pure substance? Pure substance ay binubuo lang ng isang klase ng atom o kaya naman ay grupo ng mga atoms na tinatawag nating molecules. They are homogeneous material. Ibig sabihin ay pareho ang structure at chemical composition nito kahit saang bahagi ka man kumuha ng sample. Ang pure substance ay may dalawang uri. The two types of pure substance are elements and compounds. Unahin natin si elements. Ang elements ay ang pinakasimpleng chemical substance dahil binubuo lang ito ng isang uri ng atom. Ang atom ay ang fundamental o ang pinakamaliit na unit ng matter na binubuo ng tatlong particles, protons, neutrons, and electrons. Now, elements can be represented by a chemical symbol like C for carbon, O for oxygen, Na for sodium. At lahat ng makikita natin sa periodic table of elements ay mga halimbawa ng elements. Elements cannot be broken down into simpler form of matter by either physical or chemical means. Dumako naman tayo sa compound. Ang compound ay binubuo ng dalawa o higit pang elements na chemically combined. At isa sa pinaka-common na compound ay ang tubig. Another example ay carbon dioxide and salt. They can be represented by a chemical formula. For example, water, na binubuo ng dalawang atom ng hydrogen at isang atom ng oxygen. Another example is carbon dioxide, na binubuo ng isang atom ng carbon at dalawang atom ng oxygen. Ang compound are held together by a chemical bond. Fixed din ang ratio ng bawat atoms at nakadikit sila at naka-arrange using chemical bonds. Ibig sabihin, naka-fix ang physical properties nito. Halimbawa, hindi magbabago ang boiling point at melting point ng isang compound kahit gaano kalaki o kaliit ang sample mo. Ang tubig ay laging kukulo pag abot ng 100 degrees Celsius. Ang compounds ay pwede pang i-breakdown into simpler forms hanggang makuha mo ang basic elements nila. At para gawin ito, kailangan mong gumamit ng chemical reaction na nagpapahina sa attraction or sa bond ng mga atom sa isa't isa para tuluyan silang maghiwa-hiwalay. Halimbawa nito ay para mapaghiwalay ang atoms ng tubig ay gumagamit tayo ng electric current or kuryente. At ang process na ito ay ang tinatawag nating electrolysis. So, you're going to answer your activity 1.1. So, you're going to complete the given concept map summarizing the differences between elements and compound. And then, activity number 1.2, classify the given substances as an elements or compound. You're going to write letter E if it is an element, and C if it is a compound. Now to generalize or summarize what we have discussed. And for your assessment, you're going to choose the letter of the best answer. Write your chosen letter on a separate sheet of paper.